Nyanya mwini wa thandatu mwakani mwa ngilili miongo ili na thandatu ina uthocha nyenete wa Betty wa Mwania tuambirilia maovu matunikana gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti kana serikali yake ni kiawigwano na vengi wa KCB kutoa nambe melati ya mwaki ute na udhu kwa mawithuruloko kana clean energy wabinya ndeti ya sekana ngwatanio ni kutethe vanene kwikithia kana kwikia sola masivitali maskulu vamwe na kundu kungi kwa kutumika ni wanda kindu kila kiutethe cia kumanenga mwaki wa kwiana kulangalama ya mwaki vamwe na kwailia uthukumi kwa mwene nthi wabinya ya ngwatanio ni kutethe cia kwaila miliati ingi tamatama maleloni kana street lights nyumba cia mbobano kundu kwa kusomea vamwe na milati kana mulati wa Machakos Youth Service Charles Ketavi na Maua.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kuyo mundi ni yekia wigwano kana MOU na vengi wa Kenya Commercial Bank KCB wigwano lani wa kutoa nambe milati ya mwaki wa sola.
As we sign this MOU today, we do so with a shared understanding that success will be defined by action, accountability, and measurable impact. As KCB, we remain fully committed to ensuring that this partnership delivers real and lasting benefit to the people of Machakos County.
Ainene ya ombano ni ungavana wa Vinyandeti ni watungia vengi umuvea aiwetakana mwaki wa sola nukwitho itethesia vanene kuolangalama ya mwaki masivitali ni Masaku.
Energy is key for us. You know, when I came, I found out a lot of bills that we could not be able to sustain as a county government, and even some of the areas where we have our hospital facilities, there is no electricity close. And I would want to open my clinics maybe 24 hours. There are some places where I would want 24 hours because, you know, a woman who is giving birth normally can give just anytime, anywhere. So for us, solar is solar solutions are very key, especially for our hospitals. And I really look forward to partnering with you so that at least we can save some money. If we have solar, we can save some money and buy medicine. It will be very impactful to our communities. You can imagine the bills of the last time I received a Kenya Power bill. I don't even want to say it was big. Yeah, of course they're in business. They also are good partners. We work very well with them, but would also want to save.
Allow me to thank you most sincerely, Your Excellency, for choosing KCB as your preferred partner, and not even that, for going a step further and collaborating with us to resolve some of the challenges that we had before.
Kavinda ni kaungavana wa Vinya ni wawetakana ngwatanio ni kutethesia vanene sekitani ya kigu aiwetakana ndovoisia Masaku sieki wa sola mwene ndinu kutetheka vanene.
We would want to partner with you on our boreholes also. You see, if we can also solarize all our boreholes, and that is, in fact, that is something we need to do like yesterday. Yeah, because we have boreholes that have very high yield, and we can solarize them and even pump and store water during the day. We're able to reticulate water to the nearby homes, and also it would be cheaper for us. The money that we would spend paying for electricity, we can use to buy pipes and take water close to the people. So that is another area. As you're considering this, we also want you to consider, in fact, almost immediately, if it's possible, on the solarization of our boreholes, and that is through our water companies.
The county has a very, very special place in our heart because it's just an extension of Nairobi County.
Yeah.
Yes, and you've grown the county has grown actually most of our leaders whom we are very proud of.
Ingi wa Vinya ni wasia ngwatanio ni kwa ile maskulu kwa kuikia sola matama malelo ni kana street lights nyumba cia kumbanyene nthi na kundu kwa kutoa ciana nini kana ndikia.
We have daycare centers where our mothers now are taking their children during the day and go to work. Solarization of our daycare centers and also our social halls. Yeah, we have the social halls where, you know, the community halls. We have like one in Mulolongo and another one in Athi River, and we are moving to other areas. You can also solarize the social halls. It would also be good for us. That will go bringing our energy bill down. The other one is on street lighting. street lighting security. If we can partner on security, you know, the 100 million or whatever we pay on electricity bill on street lighting, maybe we can do something else with the money.
We're in a tree planting exercise. So a number of the schools are actually the ones that cut down trees so that they can use the firewood for clean cooking. So we thought, for cooking. So we thought if we can support them to move towards clean energy and to clean cooking, then we can be able to eliminate the use of firewood.
Di Livotia Vilingi wa Movo Mutongo TV, Nita wa Charles Kitavi.
Mwene kivila wanzama yake Nando mbunge nene kuria Kimani ni watu la motia la meuliana na motala wake Nando kana finance bill ya mwaka wa 2023 haya sakana ene ndini matonya kunewa mauvungu yulua motala o Kimani ainena nandiki maovo ni wakulia Kenya kusoma motala o kwa withianu nikana kukwata uwo vanva kunewa maovo matonya kumasia mwaka mwono kuelesia.
All that we are doing is geared towards financing a budget of 4.8 trillion. So the number is right and the House is accordingly informed. Sit down and
order, honorable. Ni kuendeana ukusiwa unenania muvyu kuelekela mutalatala wa Kinando wa mwaka wa 2023 bungeni ya kati ya yumbe kumangaliko ya ulei mailiana na mutalatala huu na vala maweta kanani wa kumavini ya NND na muno alam kona siana utandedia na biasala nini taudhosia wangu wasia mitumba.
In this particular case, I'm saying we have a very ambitious finance bill that requires so much money when we are dealing with a country where the citizens are economically at their lowest.
Intercharge fee and merchant service fee, which raises the card-based payment. On that regard, Mr. Speaker, this cost translate will go up and effectively affect the industry of tourism, hospitality, which as a country we cannot afford to raise any other taxes on it, and therefore I oppose the bill in totality.
Unenania ilasimithia mwene kivilo wanzama ya Kinano mbungeni ya kati Kimani kuria kweta kikalo na andiki mamovo na vala wale na mawoni ma ambunge maulei iweta kana maende na kumaluluti cha NND yulu wa mutalatala usu wa Kinando.
We have had extensive public participation and we want to guarantee the members of the public that there is no any imposed taxation on Mitumba. So ignore all the propaganda or all the misinformation and disinformation that there is added taxation on Mitumba. When we challenge them to tell us, show us that clause in the bill that you're referring to. None of them was able to tell us which clause they were referring to.
What my colleagues are going to speak in this house is dancing to the tune of an old song, which is long gone. That our work is just to reject. No, Speaker, that is no music anymore. That is not music anymore. Introduce something new. Challenge and say, this is not workable. Let's work on this.
And it is rightful that anyone who purports anything is in a bill must point out where that is in the bill.
Ayumbe metula muti silikali kwa kwenda kuongela koti wa kuweta nguwaisia mitumba Vandi ya Kenya kindu kila meweta ataki kuongela muyo muito kwa mwene ndiwo kwa timonini.
But if you look at the original bill, there is a proposal to tax the income from Mitumba by 5%. Now, once you tax by 5% automatically, then the price goes up again. And these are the issues we are saying. So who is targeted when it comes to Mitumba, Honorable Speaker? The person targeted is the Kenyan who's at the lowest in terms of income bracket, Honorable Speaker.
Ilivotia vilingu wa Movoni toa mwaka mweu.
Minister Movyane waitheka kaunti ya Masako na Daniel Nganga ni waliana na uneni wa mama memba mambunge ya kaunti ya Masako muthenyane wa Wawiso itino wasikalo ila itwa iwesi ya mbunge su ya kana kaunti ya Masako ni kwenda kuongela koti wa mionda na itheka kwa kalima Masako. Nganga ya sekana koti ula wivo wa vitu kithiwe tene ni serikali ya Kenya na vaivata wa kaunti ya Masako kuongela koti usu Karo Munyoke na Mauvo.
itina wa mbunge ya Masaku kutwaisya sikalo syayo muthenani wayo amwe ma mbunge kana memba ma mbunge su ni maise kana serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku yenda kuongela koti wa miunda na itheka ndeto ila siekwa itheka ni minister muveane wa itheka Nathaniel Nganga aiweta kana kaunti ya Masaku yitonya kuongela koti wa itheka kula kuyekali ma Masaku
bunge ya Masaku kumondosu ndiye ne rinda nondo ela ida post fact kana meungamia mbogi ekozisi station nondo mbogi no yakozisi station tende yakozisi ya songa na valuation role no based na moya wa 2024 wa national government tiye do bedoketie Masaku na role to amezeobya ndo atoye county assembly ama bedoketia moene na medie nda matwa training mabina mata niba mbewaele ata mabunde na matu yake ndukene kesio muno yuba lama ndio kwade wani byuvi make ugando mama Masaku tebesi na nenda kwasia kindu gitu petukitie kulingana na moya ozu National Rating Act na baimu ya wa county assembly wa betukitwa ungaidete kindu nondo la waiboni watene ani overridden by ulamweu
Oingi Nganga ni waweta kana baimundu wina mwanya wa kuleana na ubitukithio wa serikali ya nthi ya Kenya na mo maitonya kuongela mukuo kwa ekalima kaunti ya Masaku bala waumya wito kula kuyene nthi kulea kwithukisya ndeto ila site na uo
value ya miundela tunakwatie Masaku ni inagaiditwe ni value as national government ela tunathukumana mo na values hizo na sio wa market values ila sindeni wa area hizo ya Masaku na netunaraisie percentage ya rates wa kila to apply it kuma 2% mpaka 0.5 na to the even to 0.2% which for compute ndomo na 90% reduction ya percentage
ni waweta kana wendekethio wa mbunge ni kana kutungi ya koti wa itheka kwa ekalima Masaku uitonyekana kuislamu viane wa itheka ni meumola mukuo andu ma Masaku na kumakulia meyumilie maofisini ethiwa mena undume kwenda kweleangwa mbeange
na indi ivieta county executive to decide ye kana tiyongelela uitwa andu ma Masaku instead tethio maunya bad tethio mates ya uito na nijo kitumitaisye tubetange penalties na interest and maitu maike by principal peke yake na siene bange de tunatangazia tira public sensitization across the county na alama na makulio yolwa the same issues kana maundu ma miunda mwadoje kukambomba no issue tunena nyinenu ati musungia makulio alamwe na ondonu tunamutangazia ndine ya makanzeti
ndilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo kumava Masaku ni Karo wa Munyoki.
Enende isio ni sia matongolo ni mendeka kukwatiana na thukumi ma county ya Masaku kwa ile maundu ma maendeleo ni kuyana na mwangami munene wa wodi sio ndhe sia matongolo Cosmas Masesi emwamba na Justus Kitengo manager wa municipal wa Kangundo Tala alama kwa na mabisangi ala kutwaisa kekalo kimwanya kuyatala na thukumi ma county ya Masaku kuma tongolo kunena nesia uthukumi wa kwa ile sio sia ndwane wala menda ine ndi kusubia milati ile kivathukanyo mule mulinge no kwelesi
Cosmas Masesi aweta kana matambe make kalokini kweta famadho kumina kwikia matambe modho kumiondo mwana uyo nakatoa thukumi ma county na ine nthisi one sia ndwani ayongela kana itambe iye tethesia muno kuyanese mawatho ma governor wa county ya Masaku kuyene nthi
kuendea na kuelesea mwene nthi kila kindu chombe maundu ondela ma governor tethete transition na MYS ngawa ya school ngawa ya desilting ya masilanga ngawa ya somedia ngawa driving license ngawa ya IT training sindu sio nthe ila governor wikito na ngawa ECD classes naende maundu alama naende ma kunenga amuika maitu masomo kunenga na matents kunenga na ibila masilia sindu hizo ndani sia governor ECD classes sia kawe governor malelo ndema federal matungulu onde matemeto ni excellency governor wandeti naende nundu akwitha tuenda kumanana kwa mundu kumiwonde wa serikali tunene awasiomwe andi ziteve anisendeni maundu ma serikali la meku na itu abo chamwene nthi ndene autuone kula ndi tatete mauya na kala maitutulikania nundu serikali ya governor wa Binya ni serikali imwe na iya sovya ndu onde ma Masaku na kwa jumla ngama matongolo sub county
nake Justus Kitengo ulevi kitakikolo kino watathukuma kaunti sione ithi kuthukuma na withianu na kosa mavata maene thina wito vate kulela uyani wo kwithwa na mevya kuthokonya kaunti ne iyo mbanite kwithukisia wendi wa mwene nthi
tenda kusomea mbaino otuma mathithia kana project ila cia munene ciende thini wa ward levels ni ciana atana twende kwika ata ni kenda tusicie kula project ite na mbobikia kwekwa na kula maleo mata na mbobikia kutemwa mpaka bikia kutemwa na project hii stream down mpaka kula kwa village level na kiu ne anjendela nene na kenjendela nge ya kuthokomi kila bandu wabika kwa ndena ke KBT ku deliver through manifesto ma excellence ya kana service delivery kwa mwananchi niyo ki na nitwegwa na hiyo that sub county through our sub county admin kana nitwe yu kwa serikali mongo na kuthukuma na kumake sure kana nitwe KBT wala beti alete negaruka bigia ku deliver
nikumana na kivale nithimendeka kusuvia milati la isio ni ciandu na vate kumyananga kana kumitumia na ina kukuna alivoti maofisini ma kaunti la mona vevatam
twamanana na twatwe sila kana nituthukuma twi mwamba na nituthio kwatiania kila mundu kethia ona uya so long as yathukuma masaku nukumana uyo uthukumitwe ni governor na yusuvia ta muthukumi wa county government ya Machakos na jasia maundu ala onthe governor witu wikite GDO ena ward admin na village admins nituthi kuosa mukondo wa kutembea kila sub location tuvisitete miradi ila governor wikite na kumisisya na kunena nyina ene nthi.
Ripoti ya Mutongo TV yenetoa Mulingem.
Ubisi wa mwandiki munene wa ciama cia kiuteti ni wamenda inendi kwikithia kana nimeyumilia undu vailite kukuna kuro nyuvanini munene ukitwa mwaka wa 2027 anena kabindani kalame na kikalo musini wa masako cha kuneananisya maundu makonete kuyumbanisya unyuvani uu Anna Kaberere ulani munene wa maundu makuyanisya na kuongelela utonyi niwawetakana ngwatanio ya kila mwenene unyuvanini usu ikasangia vanene kuyana kwa demokrasia ya nthi ya Kenya. Karo Munyoki ni mwandiki wetu.
Ainena kavindani kalame na kikalova musini wa masaku na ikundi isi kivathukanyo kivo cha muvea wa unyuvani na mivaka Ann Kaberere ulane umwe kikundini cha kuongelela utonyi muvea ni usu ni wawe takana a Kenya ni mailite kwiyumilia undu vailite kukuna kula ni kana kwa ilia unyuvani usu wa mwaka ukite wa 2027.
So we have organized capacity building of various stakeholders within the political space so that the citizen can engage with in the political and electoral processes. So these programs are supposed to do a preparedness for all the citizens. We are trying to strengthen their participation in the election.
Nake munene wa muvia wa unyuvani na mivaka IEBC uvonge wa masakune Lilongo ni wawe takanathi na munene wa Kenya ni kulea kukuna livoti la mona mundu kwika uvathukanu na mea ya unyuvani ayumia ukanyo kwa mundu wonthe ula ukukwatikana na mavito wa sunu kwasi wa matambia mai makemeao.
Wakati matukosa yametokea lazima yashughulikiwe. Na hasa kipindi cha kampeni, the election period, the one that is gazetted as the electioneering period, and that is when the code of conduct comes into force. We need to secure our country and ensure that we are operating in a peaceful environment. Huo ndio wito wetu. And it takes you and me to ensure this environment is safe.
Okavindani kau Jacqueline Nziva umwe wa alame kukitia ivila si kivathukanyo ni wawe takana kumasomethia ene nthi kwati ya mea ya unyuvani ni kumatethesya muno na kumekia vinya ateti maka alame na wia wa kukitia ivila isu.
Of course we have learnt about the laws governing elections and also the code of conduct which we are supposed to know. Political parties code of conduct that we have learnt a lot, and many voters are wooed to vote for the wrong people. So my people, don't be wooed by the wrong politicians who want to just woo you to get to the wrong leaders.
o vamwe nau aka ni makulwa meyandikithia na ciama cia kiuteti matena wia ni kana methiwe na ivuso iseo ya kukitia ivila si kivathukanyo cia utongoi va nthi ya Kenya.
We're hoping we'll aim higher. Women deserve more, women deserve better, and we're hoping that they're able to just understand that they are covered by the law, they have their rights.
Ndilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kumava musini wa Masaku ni Karo wa Munyoki.
Tongo yala mokitia akisiandola mekala na mamutha memwanya kaunti na Kitui ni makula serikali kusea uviana kuthukumithia mitalatala mithia nukwikithia andu asu mena mamutha memwanya ni makwata mauthuku miundo vailite hainene yakwa Kitui ofisa wa wiananu wa mivai Dr. Salada na munyanyae wa maundu mala mamutha memwanya John Kilonzo matulamote kaunti ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kwa kilame weta bunge itaiselete kusovya mio ya kusovya mio taalame na mamutha memwanya. Nesmas Chala na Mawaswa
ene ndiara mamutha memwanya kaunti ya Kitui ni mokile kiocho kwa serikali wa kaunti ya Kitui kusebe mivango ya kuikithikana ni makonyo katika mivango ya serikali ya maendeleo na kukwata udhukumi wa serikali.
National Gender Inequality Commission ingechukua nafasi hii kutambua kwa uwazi juhudi hizi. Hata ingawaje tuna mambo mengi ambayo tumeyatenda, lakini bado katika kaunti yetu hatuna sera ya walemavu ya kaunti. Swala hilo bado linahitaji lishughulikiwe. Si Kitui kaunti peke yake, lakini hata kaunti zingine. Lakini tujaribu tuweke sera ya ambayo itawashughulikia walemavu katika kaunti yetu.
Hata taima alame na mamutha memwanya kaunti ya Kitui ni mawetakana kukosekana kwa mivango mielu ya kuikithia NND alame na mamutha memwanya ni makwata yenya kuthukuma serikali na kuiendesia ni kumavinyea mainene matonguwe nenda Kitale Saladi wa ikundi ya kuikithia wiananu wa NND pamona mwene kivila wa mwavuli wa ikundi sia alame na mamutha memwanya kaunti ya Kitui John Kilonzo na mamienda serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui kuyambe maandamano alame na mamutha memwanya.
Pia ningependa kuhimiza serikali yetu ya kaunti ya Kitui kwamba kuna mambo ambayo yanahusiana na uajiri wa walemavu. Sheria zetu zinasema kwamba 5% ya wafanyakazi wa serikali ya kaunti wanastahili kuwa ni watu walemavu. Vile vile katika tenda zile za serikali 5% pia inastahili ipewe walemavu, kina mama na vijana 30%. Kwa hivyo ningependa wafuatilie hiyo na waweze kutekeleza swala hilo.
Atongo yane makoso wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kwa kila mawetakana nilete kuvitukithia mwiyo wa kusisi andolami na mamutha memwanya balamenda spika wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui Kevin Kinengo asisi muswada lo vikitwa bungeni isu ni ene ndea mamutha memwanya kuvitukithia noka na mavikiana kukwata uthukumu wa serikali.
Ma MCA makwa nini mwendete muno na ningulilikana mukumanza kula kila umwe enda akatavya mulemavu mwatunuva nituthi kuvitukithia mwiya wenu nenda mwanisye ahadi isu syenu sya kutusovesya mwiya witu nundu mwiya nitwendie twasovya twakulia alemavu maoni mo na mete kila kingi ve ona speaker nikumukulia hakikishe mwiya usu niwanengwe kipaumbele nundu kwi vindo watu athite kana mwiya usu no kudiscussiwa katika county assembly ila ya mwaka muthelu na yu mwaka nduthelile na twineza kuona mwiya usu kuvitukithia na speaker ndinatie usu uko kwiwa no kwenda senator tene witwika senator utatetea alemavu.
Ripoti ya Blingo Movomo Tongo TV ni Onesmus Chalo.
Wakili wa ikomano ya maundu maukangani kana Ocean Festival ene yana ni mathingili lovata wa kwikithia ni mathukumithia miyao na mawalanyo ala mekitwe ni kana kwa ile ukwati wa kiwuni na kwikithia ene nthi ala mekala icio ni cia ukangani ila kana ilete wa makoyo ni meyokilia kiukwati na kukwata leu wa kuyana nino wa President Kithure Kindiki ni na kavinani kala ukunena na ikomana yu kauntini ya Mombasa ni wawetakana serikali ni kwende ya kwikia mawalanyo memwanya ni kana kwa ile movia wa maundu maukangani kana blue economy ni kana kusangia kuyana kwa ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya. Angelina Mose kuba Mombasa na Maovo.
Nene kumanoni ya 11 ya mithenya 3 ya kunenesia maundu ma ukangani munini wa President Kithure Kindiki ni wathingilila vata wa ene ianda kukwatana ni kana kuikithia ukangani wa suviwa na ila nenzia imwe ya kuikithia ukwati na liu akuyana kwi ene nthi ala mekwatasia ukanga ni wavikia kwa ilua.
Not inherit the earth from our ancestors. Instead, we borrow it from our children. What this means, friends, is that we have an obligation as the current generation to return the ocean to our children cleaner, richer, and more resilient than we found it. That is how profound our obligation is.
Uneni wa Kindiki ni wakwatwa ula wa minister wa maundu manza nthi ya America John Kerry na ula wa wetakana ukangani wikwata suava nene ni ene nthi indi nzikayo sia kuusuvia yithitwe itwewe undu vailite ni kumana na namba nene ya kiko na mono suva sia plastic na ila sieta imuisio munene kwi siumbe sia kiwuo ni kwithiwa inya ikasua ukangani.
Because of greenhouse gas emissions. About a quarter of the carbon pollution that humanity emits every single year, the ocean takes, consumes. In other words, the ocean has actually been acting as Earth's life support system. And it's been protecting us. And the question before us as we come here to Kenya for this important meeting is whether we are willing to protect the ocean in return. Because the ocean is sending us a very, very clear message.
Kavindani kwa minister maunduni maukwatwa kangani kana blue economy na wenzi wa mavia maalato Ali Hassan John umya witano kwi ene ianda kukwatania vinyane kana kuikithia ni masovia ukanga na ula wa uwetata wina rasilimali mbingi na ila ikwata suani mwene nthi.
I have personally witnessed the profound connection between coastal communities and the ocean. For generations, the Indian Ocean has shaped our identity, sustained livelihoods, facilitated trade, inspired culture, and created opportunities for millions of people across our region.
We are working on handling hazardous waste so that we do not kill something that is to be enjoyed by the future generations. We're currently working on financing our beach management units and our fisher folk so that they can be able to do further and way more.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa Mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Mose.
Atande vya na thos ya masindo ilangu sokono wa matu ni makoso uneni wa MCA wa matu wa kwenda vya salo suku vingwa. Ami aseta mena mavaloa ma utande vya kanapamito wa mwena valoa wanema. Maiwe tatavo mumasi yale unaingi medhito. Maitethesya kuthesya soko kwa kukola nyasi ndo isungu.
Hata kama ni nani hapo hapo na kuna hii na ile kitu kingine ni kuleta pesa ngeni hapa. Onaenda isoma ina. Ungana bana kanda kazi. Ungana baya. Acha ni hapa kondesa plastic. Na kitu kwa ndo na kama unachuma free bai. Sawa hiyo tuongeze.
Ni thukuma wa kuwa plastic. Ni vano no wa plastic so basi yake wo plastic no waste. Na yu bekindo ne wiyecha kana ne binge wia ne bano matuna uyo suni woni thukuma ilangu eka no ngokota plastic na makoton suva sia kiwu ne dia sengi cia soko ya matu ake bwa yusindu isi bano twili hata ku soko ni ya matu monene no kulia kwa ndai ya mheshimiwa plastic inonoa nyedidiliana kindu kingine wa plastic na cotton peke yake kulia dia betonya kwithia na thina wivo twite andu maskrebu plastic amokota bamwe nakwa utwelese thinono ni mwa unatonya usofu hata bano wea ni uno ni ana permit ya bano nina palua wa county wa wiono na nina nema ya kuthukuma wio wa scrap
thukuma wio wa scrap na niguo ni ya family yakwa naguo ni ciana itatu na kibeti na wio tiyo kota wio tithati kwetie wia ongi tithati ithukuma na we all lot we are isindu when a license na wina kila kindu ko munene ake atia wia obingwa either twanange ithio nthe nundu family itu ndemea ao ndo kuona tithukumana mo
anthukuma wono wa kuokota maskreb magoto ni sova chindu cha muthemba ucio na bado twitha twithe soko na wio ndiwo twitha cha family yago bado ukabingwa bado baitha bena thina.
Wani watu wikamuthia mauvo maitu kiokoni cha umundi nukathiva asa tukithwa tusiokithia na mauvo ala mendhini wa thango maitu ma umundi nyenete wa Betty wa Mwanya.